Welcome to the Missouri Freedom Initiative. Today is Friday, the 12th of August, 2022. Hey there, gang. I'd like to make a video to address the sheriffs of Missouri. So that's actually who this video is for, all the fine sheriffs in the state of Missouri. Some of you know me, some of you don't. My name is Pat Holland, and I'm a politically active guy in the state of Missouri. And I'm also going to encourage anyone who watches this video in the state of Missouri to please share this with your local sheriff or your local police. You can do this easily by tagging them with this video in social media or just by emailing them a link to this video. Sheriffs, as you probably know, the FBI is currently canvassing Missouri sheriff's offices in an attempt to access concealed carry holders' information from your counties. This is nothing new. The FBI has been actively seeking this Missouri info for years and has even obtained it previously in one, possibly two occasions. This, however, is illegal by Missouri Statute 571. Sheriffs also know that Missouri's new SEPA law, which stands for the Second Amendment Preservation Act, could be applicable to this and could be used to prosecute officials who give this information to the FBI or anyone else for that matter. That could be a $50,000 fine per name release to the FBI under the current law. If a sheriff were to release these names from any given county in Missouri, the liability could be staggering and lead to a massive hornet's nest of lawsuits. Recently, Brian Whitney, a sheriff of Scotland County, refused to cooperate with the FBI in an attempt to get the CCW permit holders' information from his county. He even stated he was willing to risk federal arrest to keep that data private. In reality, though, Sheriff Whitney was just following Missouri's statute and is at absolutely no risk from Missouri authorities. The laws of Missouri forbid sharing CCW holders' information with any entity, even the FBI. If he did share the information with the FBI, he would definitely be in violation of Missouri law and his office possibly sued to the tune of $50,000 per name release to the FBI because of Missouri SEPA law. To my knowledge, Missouri is the only state in the 50 United States that protects its residents from Second Amendment infringements from local law enforcement by having a $50,000 per incident enforcement mechanism. Other states have SEPA, not all of them have enforcement mechanisms. In fact, I think we're the only one. In fact, I think I know we're the only one. Because of the incessant attempts by the federal government to obtain Missouri CCW holders' information, Missouri Attorney General Eric Schmitt has addressed the situation in a recent letter to the FBI, saying, and I quote, by the way, this will be linked down below. Now the FBI appears to be targeting Missouri gun owners, and we will not stand for it. We believe in the Second Amendment here. So does the Supreme Court. As you may have seen in the most recent landmark decision in New York State Rifle and Pistol Association. I led dozens of state attorneys general in a filing in a brief defending our Second Amendment rights, and we prevailed. In light of these facts, Missourians have concluded that the FBI leadership in Washington, D.C. has been weaponized for political gain. You have lost our trust, and you seem to be completely indifferent towards trying to rebuild it. Instead, you announce that you will show up at our offices of our elected Missouri sheriffs in open and blatant violation of state law and seek to find out who in Missouri holds a legal CCW permit. This is not going to happen. I will fight you tooth and nail with all the resources of the people of Missouri have given me as their Attorney General. Yours very truly, Eric Schmitt. So that's where that stands. And in closing, I'd like to thank all the Missouri sheriffs for their service and their resilience in being faced with federal overreach while the FBI is on a fishing expedition in our Missouri sheriff's offices. Missouri CCW law and SEPA law protects all Missouri law enforcement from Missouri prosecution for refusing to cooperate with the FBI in illegally trying to obtain CCW information. In fact, since the FBI is gracing your offices and basically asking you to break Missouri law knowingly, maybe you'll want to escort them out of your county. Linked down below in the description section are links to Missouri gun law, Missouri SEPA law, and Eric Schmitt's letter, and other things too. Thank you very much for watching this video. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless this great state of Missouri. See you next time, gang.